everyone, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 4th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus. We have here the 4 stars. And one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all this evening. Only 4 of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one, the 3 star Sudoku number 7205. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, 5 digits more, so it should be easy for solving this one, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, let's get started. We have 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this 2nd row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. How about let me see which number I can pick. 3, 9, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 9 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3. We have a 9 in the 3rd row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the 1st row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Then we have a 5 in this row. Oh, we have a pair. 5 and a 9 in the last row. 5 and a 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair of 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7, 6. Need a 3 here. Okay. Need a 7 here. We have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 3, 3, 7. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5, it should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. And then, no. 2, 4, need a 4 here. How about the 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. 8, 8, need a 4 here. No 4. How about 5, 7? 7. Come on. 3, 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 8 here. Thinking. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and a 6, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 8 and 2. 2 need a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Six. Come on. Well, we have a pair in this big square. 4 and a 6 in this row, first row. 4 and a 6 in the third row. So no 4 and 6 in this box. So no 4 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 6, 4 and 6, 4 and 6. And look, we have a 4 and 6 in the first column, so no 4 and 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Then 5. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Alright, the 2. So we have 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. First column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Can we count? Yes, and all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Can I count the 9's? No. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. On the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 9. 3 and 8. Then one number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We say a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 and 8. Then 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Then the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, same numbers. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Same missing numbers in this big square, the 3 and 8. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. Faster than 14 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.